Hello mga pangga! Welcome to Kantayovit's channel. Today my husband is making the Flourless chocolate torte, and he and he is the one who's showing us how to make it. So it's baliktad. He's making our dessert before our dinner. Alright mga pangga, so enjoy watching his cooking. It's baking time. Yummy.
Yummy.
Okay, what do we need, hon?
First thing we do, preheat the oven to 185 degrees.
Okie dokes.
And if you live in the States, that's 375. Make sure there's nothing in the oven first. There's nothing in the oven except oven. And then what we do,
Back up because you don't want your head cut off. Yeah.
you need 1/3 of a cup of butter. And you need 2 itlog. I have 2 itlog right here.
Really?
Yep.
Then you're gonna be itlogless.
Yep. Let's just take everything out of the box.
Okay. Okie dokes.
First we take everything out of the box.
And we read the directions.
That's right, admin. Admin has to read the directions. See? That's it. That's the pan it comes in.
Yeah.
And this is something here. I'm not sure what it is, but here's the package.
Okay. I will read the direction for you.
Yeah. Take
You
this
already
and
did.
put it in the nuke it.
Okay. Until it's melted.
Until it's melted.
Yep.
Empty flour torte mix into melted butter. Stir until blended. Okay.
20
until
seconds.
Add itlog.
Yeah.
Pour into pan and spread evenly. So let's get something to mix this in. Let's see if we can find something else.
This-
Oh, we used everything yesterday.
Yeah, this one. How about?
Oh, it's pretty big.
Oh, this one is pretty big. Okay,
Yeah.
here. I'll get it.
Okay.
It's over here. Is this big enough, hon?
Yeah, that's probably a good size.
Okay, dokes.
Oh.
What happened? It's overflowing?
Yeah, it made a mess too.
Oops. Here, I'll do it. I'll clean it. I clean it up.
I think I'm gonna need more.
Yeah, because look, it spilled. There's daghan too. I think you do it too
Long.
long, so it's only 20 seconds.
Yeah, and butter is
20
mahal.
seconds. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, mo dong.
Uh-oh. Let's put that here.
What is this?
Oh, that's for you. It says to grease the bottom of the pan, so.
This one?
There's this one.
This one? Huh?
Yeah. I don't know how long we've had this stuff for. Wonder if it's any good.
Yeah, I use them. It should be. I mean, it's vegetable
Best
oil.
if used by January 28th of 2018.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it's still good.
It still looks good.
I mean, a vegetable doesn't get rotten. Vegetable oil, I mean.
Uh-oh, there's a thing within a thing. Whoa, what's all this? Come on. Oh, there's a hole in it.
Yeah. And that's why you have to pay to read the direction.
Okay.
Somebody no. Huwag gibasa ang direksyon ay.
That's right. We all know what happens if you bake a cake and don't read the directions.
Who did that? I didn't do it.
Oh, no.
It turns out to be parehag kuan, hard as a rock. It's like, oh my God, honey, look what my...
Okay. Flourless torte mix into melted butter.
Okay.
I guess this is the flour that Florida.
Yeah, because this is the chocolate.
The scissors are going.
Here.
We have two pairs of scissors.
Plenty of scissors.
Okay. Stir until blended. Pour this in just like that, ma. That's it. Empty. Stir until blended.
Yeah, I'm gonna
And perhaps admin can give me the honor of cracking my 2-it log.
Really? I have to crack your 2-it log?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. All right. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2.
Two it log. 1 it log.
Ay, kabayo.
Gosh. See, I have 2 it logs.
Why is it all the time when you're baking something, Eder, it's always pear?
I don't know.
Why can't we just do one
One it
one
log.
it log? It's always usually needs 2.
Well, that's because God gave me 2 it log. You have to talk to God.
Oh yeah? And what do I say?
God, can I? My husband wants 2 it log.
You already have 2. So.
I know, that's right. God gave them to me. God said, let them have it log.
Let the guys have it log.
Yeah.
And the girls have
Totoys. Boys have it log, girls have a bilat.
Hoy! Stop it! You're so amo. You have to behave. You're
It's
cooking
like the
something.
time I called up the hospital and asked to speak to Mark Wenzel. Oh, never mind. Is why Mark goes on here? Oh, okay.
Everyone can see it.
Ah. guess that's mixed enough. Mix it until that, and then pour it into the pan. Why don't you pull the pan over to the camera instead of the camera?
No, there.
There, okay. And gotta get it all in. Look at that. That looks like kalibang.
Wow, uy.
Well, it does.
Ambot lang do.
That's right. Ambot lang.
Here, you use this. It gets everything.
Okay.
This one. There. You scrape every single one of them. It comes out. Yep. There.
All the kalibang out.
That's not funny, you know that? There. Good boy.
There, that's
See?
clean.
That's clean.
Now you get the great honor of licking the bowl.
Go ahead.
That is a great honor.
Not
Ian.
me. That looks yummy.
Yes, it does look yummy, yummy, yummy.
And what's that called again? Flourless chocolate torte.
Torte, yeah.
Torte.
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 Torte, it's German.
Torte.
Okay, that's good enough.
You're not supposed to do that because there's a French roll egg. Amaw. Lord, kaon upuan ay.
And we put it into the oven. And we set the timer for 26 minutes. So, timer, 2600, timer. And we wait.
Until the timer's off.
And in the meantime, admin will tell you a story for the next 26 minutes so you don't sit there watching the grass grow.
Okay, what's our story that we could tell? Abangan mga pangga kay mag-live unya ko sa ato ang kuan sa kanang paraffles. No, magparaffles ta or Q&A. So paraffles ta og I think asa duha ka t-shirt. Tanawon sa tunako akong lista. Unya. Mintras naghuwat ta ani nga maluto, ako niya lang ipakita ninyo inig mahuman na ang iyahang luto. So, tay pasa asa man ni oy mga kuan niya tani mga libat niya tani asa tarag tan-aw. Okay. So, hello everyone di ay sa mga Sissy Loves, sa Hello Katie Fanatic members, and Kantayo Beth and Mabinat Malusog subscribers. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. So, hope everyone is doing well and you have a blessed day. So, mintras naghuwat pa ta sa atong giluto diri ni Mister, mao nang nagyap-yaping sa ta. So kay magyap-yap man ta, magkuan sa ta, mag-shout out sa ta sa ato ang mga mga subscribers sa subscribers sa Luzon, hello. Subscribers sa Cebu, hello mga pangga, and sa Mindanao, and also sa Davao, sa Talisay Cebu, SM Cebu, ug sa akong duha ka igsuon si Brother Paul and Brother Elmer. So although one don't have the UT, the YT, I mean, not UT, oh my gosh, it looks like a UTI. YouTube channel di ay, ang usa active si Sir Paul, ang usa sa kanang unsay nga na wala gyud na siya pakabana, pero kuan lang kanang maminaw ra na siya sa ako ang sa mga video, so magtan-aw ra na siya pero dili na siya active, wag gali na Facebook. Okay, so si Sir Paul di ay og sa iyang mga kuan kanang regards sa mga taga SM Cebu, tong nag-subscriber nako under sa akong manoy sa nagtrabaho pa diha sa SM. So hopefully that you're still doing good with your job, and also thank you for subscribing. So those who subscribe the Kantayo Beth and Mabinat Malusog group, if you did not subscribe yet, please you may do so. Okay, we greatly appreciate. We support all the local vloggers, mga pangga. Okay, mo ni dinhi kanang unsay din sa Amerika, kinabuhi sa Amerika, kuan kanang unsay ana perming busy, pero usahay kay kanang unsay ana naaman sa balay sa maglingaw-lingaw. So lingaw-lingaw, kanta, sayaw, exercise, doing Zumba, and traveling around whatever, basta enjoy lang ang life, kasi life life is too short, so enjoy lang. So do the best as you can. So basta be positive and love. So wala lang ng mga niga, kasi ang niga nakakasira sa ano mo, sa sa personality mo. So kung gusto mong maging maging blooming sa lahat ng tao, wear your smile and show your good heart to others. So always do that, mga pangga, dahil nakikita yan kahit hindi ka man magsalita sa kapwa mo, nakikita yan nila through your actions. Okay, so actions speak louder than words. So aanhin mo yung mga wordings mo, tapos hindi naman nagmamatch sa action mo, so bali useless din. So hope na nakabigay ako ng mga wisdom sa inyo, mga pagtulunan, mga pangga, kay kay like I said, life is too short to be miserable. So enjoy life lang and be positive to others, and lift up others, not bring down others. Okay, so always a good thing to have a positive attitude, because kay ang kinabuhi nato dili nato hibaw-an, kay ato ra nang hinuwaman gikan sa Ginoo. So always be grateful to others and be thankful, be kind. If you can do that, then we know we are on the right track. Every moment, every time we get up and thinking about our positive thoughts, and that is that you are in right track. Positive sides is in God's sides. Nega sides, where that nega sides go. So, therefore, we have to think before we do, because if you don't, then always remember, if you don't think before you open your mouth or before you do your things, you never know that you are hurting others, and with your negative mind, negative thoughts, and you're already hurting others. So don't do that. Okay, please think, and always stay positive. Okay, kay aron bulahan ta, kay ang tao nga gaan og maayo sa uban, og maayo sa uban og mabungahon ang iyahang kanang mga wordings nga pinaagi sa iyang mga action. So makita sa uban nga tinud-anay ang imuhang pagpaambit sa katawhan or pagpaambit sa imuhang mga kaigsuunan. So dili lang unta sa ato ang words nga nindota nga mabulaklakon ta og words, but show it with your action as well. Okay? Importante na mga pangga kay mag-unsa man ang nindot kay ta og wordings unya ang atong action lain sukwahi so dili. So lain kaayo ang example sa ato ang kaugalingon. So you know, it's better nga ang atong action speak louder than your words. So mga pangga, mao to ha ang akong share nga love lang, be positive at all times. Kung may kung unsa may kanang unsa ngin ana pananglit no naamon gyud tay mga kanang down parts when we get up, we have a bad day, we have the bad day. Try to think that you cannot go on and hold on to that bad mood all day. Because what happens is you are going to give that to others. And think about it. If you don't like the way it does it to yourself, why would you want to give that to others? So please think before you do. And then please, para dili ta makahatag anang sa uban nga ato ang bad mood and give it to others. So it's no. So just try to evaluate and try to keep yourself calm and say, hey, I need to do this because this is not a good thing to share it to others. Okay, so hope that is makakuha mo og mga pagtulunan ana mga pangga. So kay ngano bisan kita okay ani ha ang ato ang kaugalingon, God made us in unique way. So God made us wonderfully. So we have our own uniqueness to others. We have our own personality. We have our own. So ang importante nga kanang unsay nga welcoming ta sa uban. So personality nato welcoming ta sa uban. So how do we do that? By giving the positive attitude. All right? So the number one you do is wear your smile. So always wear your smile, because when you wear a smile, that means you're giving the attraction of the others to you are a welcoming person, okay? Because if you don't give that impression or if you don't give that sign to others, then you are not giving the connection to others. So kung may smile meaning there's an invitation that you are a welcoming person. So smile will always give you will always give you a physical attraction to one another, okay? Because when God loves you, God gives you that power to get in touch to your sister. Greatly love, okay? So just smile, even though your heart is aching. Go, give the smile, because you never know that person that you smile into, that she needed that from you. Okay, so you are the smile is a blessing from God. Your smile can wait that you smile. The smile that you wear every day is a blessing from up above. So wear your smile all the time. So love. Yan si Kantayo Beth. Okay. So no negatives. Negative poop. So just negativity. Shoot that out to the window. Don't bring it in. Just shoot it out to the other side. So When negatives try to knock you down, try to, you know, bump up your positivity and block the negativity. Because you know why? What happens if you try to enter to invite the negativity in your home or in yourself? So it is gonna continue. The negativity is gonna continue, and it's gonna roll like crazy. And so it's gonna build like a fire, and we don't want that. Okay, so if you build up with the positivity around you, so you will hear good things from other people, because they see that is through your action. You don't have to tell them, you don't have to do this, you don't have to do it for you, but they will see that through you. So sila mismo, lahat sila ay magsasabi coming from their heart kung anong nakikita nila sa iyo. So yun ay ang tawag dyan. Hindi yan galing sa akin, kundi blessings from God. Kung nakikita sa mga tao yung totoong heartfelt nila para sa iyo, that means it is not mine to keep, but it is from God that we have to be thankful. Okay? So dahil ginawa tayo ni God for an instrument tayo na to spread out the positivity around the world. Okay? At blessed din ako dahil nakikita ko yung mga positive comments ninyo, and so I'm thankful for that. So mga sisi love, Kantayo Beth again saying, so stay positive, okay? Ignore the negativity, bring in the positivity, because you know what? Think about it. When you focus the positivity, more blessings will come into your home, to your heart. Wherever you go, there's always gonna be a positivity in your heart. Positive thoughts brings the energy of positive minds and surroundings with the positivity people. Okay, so negative people attracts negative people. So if you don't let that into you, nobody will knock your positivity down if you don't entertain the negativity. Okay? So, yan. That's according to Kantayo Beth. So, yan ang secret ni Beth. So, ni-share ko sa inyo lahat, ha. Baka mamaya sabihin nyo, ano kaya sekreto ni Beth? O, simple lang. Inano ko na sa inyo, binigay ko na sa inyo, ha. Yun ang sekreto ko. Hindi sa akin nang galing, kundi galing sa taas. Okay, so kaya love lang mga pangga, no matter what. Okay, kung may magbato sa inyo ng masama, kung may magbato sa inyo ng hindi maganda, wag ninyong i-entertain yun, dahil kayo mismo alam ninyo sa sarili ninyo. So bakit mag-mind kayo na
love.
Hoy! Oh yeah? That's my love.
Yeah, that's all you get.
Oh, okay. That's what I get. All right.
Oh, it's starting to...
Yay! That looks yummy, hon.
Yeah, it does.
So, yes, that's all. So anywhere you go, bring your smile. Daddy, smile. Give me your smile. Over here. See, smile. Love.
Love.
Yes.
There.
Yan lang ang sekreto mga pangga, kasi yung kung always stay positive no matter what. Okay? Dahil yun ang nag-ulan daw. Okay, so tapos na yata. I think it's done, Han. Did you set the timer for this?
I set the timer.
Oh, okay. Nag-set the timer ko na siya. So malapit na mga pangga. Malapit na, ipakita ko sa inyo pag tapos na ito. So yun ang ang sharing ko ngayon sa Kantayo Beth. kailangan hindi natin kailangan hindi natin i-entertain yung mga negativity. Number one, most of all, hindi kailangan yung i-entertain. Kung bakit? Dahil mas ikaw ang alam mo yung sarili mo. Yung taong nagbeing nega sa iyo, malamang hindi ka nila kilala. Kaya nagbabato yan ng mga masamang I'm not gonna say elemento, but means masamang mga words. Because you know why? So dahil sa mga selos, dahil sa mga hindi pag yung basta mga nega. So hindi ko na lang isa-isahin dahil So dahil kung ka sa kapwa mo, kung ang nakikita mo lang sa kapwa-tao ay ang kabutihan, hindi ka mag-isip ng masama sa sariling kapwa. Okay? Kahit hindi mo man magustuhan, lahat tayo may iba-ibang characteristic. Okay? Doesn't mean that everyone will agree what we are. It's not like that, because we are, like I said, we are a human being. We have all we are unique. We have our own characteristic. So, kahit hindi man natin magustuhan yung isang person, it doesn't mean na you have the right to say bad things about that person. Okay? So, dahil pag nagsasabi tayo ng ganyan, anong mangyayari? Naka-ex na tayo sa point sa mata ng Panginoon. Okay? Number 2, wala tayong makukuha diyan kung di naninira lang ng kapwa. Wala tayong maano diyan. So, ako, ang inaano ko is I'm always thinking that before I do things, do I please God if I do this to others? Do I please God when I say bad things about others? No, it's not, right? So why do it? So kaya think, mga pangga, kaya binigyan tayo ng brain at pag-iisip sa Panginoon para alam natin kung anong dapat natin gawin. So, usually, karamihan natin pag pag mad tayo, nadadala tayo sa mga negative vibes, nadadala tayo sa So, ang ginagawa ko, pag I am so mad, ang ginagawa ko, instead of firing bad words to others, I shut my mouth, I close the door, and I just keep myself quiet, and then I will pray to God for that person. Okay? So, yun ang ko. So, kasi pag hindi ko ginagawa yan, ayaw ko kasing magbato ako ng masamang salita na hindi naman kaaya-aya, tapos hindi na natin mababalik yan pag nabitawan na yan. So tapos it is easy to say sorry, but it's hard to forget. So kaya kung maari, sarado mo nyo lang ang pintuan mo, tapos wag kang magbitaw ng salita basta hindi maganda sa kapwa, dahil pag may nagbabato sa iyo tapos babato ka uli pabalik, so you're not good as that other person. All right, okay, I will talk to you later, mga pangga, dahil may phone call ako. Okay, bye bye, love you all. Kantayo Bet is thanking you and blessing you. Thank you for subscribing again.